In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync files in OneDrive for Business. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to locate the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. It usually looks like a small cloud icon often nestled near the system clock at the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a small window displaying your recent file activities and a few additional options. Next, direct your attention to the gear icon. This icon represents the settings section, and clicking on it will open up a drop-down menu with several choices. From this menu, you'll want to click on Settings, which brings up a new window comprised of various tabs. Navigating to the Sync and Backup tab is crucial here. This tab contains all the settings related to how your files sync between your local machine and the cloud. Once you're in this tab, look for the section labeled Advanced Settings. Give it a click to expand this section. Now, you'll see more detailed options for managing your files between your device and the cloud. Within Advanced Settings, you'll come across an option called Files on Demand. This is a powerful feature that allows you to control whether files are stored online, offline, or both, thus helping you efficiently manage the storage space on your computer. Here, you have two central options to consider. If you're looking to save space on your device, you might opt for the Free Up Disk Space choice. By selecting this option, your files will become online only. This means they remain accessible whenever you have an internet connection, but they won't occupy physical storage space on your device. On the other hand, if you prefer to have access to all your files regardless of your internet status, consider opting for Download All Files. This will store the files locally on your device, ensuring they're always accessible, even when you're not connected to the internet. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the icons related to Files on Demand, as these give you visual cues about a file's storage status. An online-only file will show an icon indicating it's stored in the cloud and doesn't take up space on your computer. Locally available files, those you can access offline, display a different icon. Lastly, files marked as always available are saved onto your device and accessible both online and offline. By understanding these options and knowing what each icon represents, you can tailor your OneDrive settings to fit your working style, ensuring efficiency and convenience in managing your files. That wraps up our quick tutorial on syncing files in OneDrive for Business using Files on Demand. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you configure your OneDrive settings.